Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Singularity Finance token. Ticker symbol is SFI. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, February 6th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on Etherscan. This is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Name of the token is Singularity Finance. Ticker symbol is SFI. There is a max total supply of 500 million tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. It says Singularity Finance is pioneering the AI finance platform and EVM layer 2 designed to tokenize and integrate the artificial intelligence economy. Aligned with Singularity Net's vision, it combines AI, RWAs, and blockchain to enhance on-chain application performance and efficiency. Now you can follow their Telegram, which is at Singularity_FI. They have a blue verified check mark, 23,948 members, 6,472 of them are online. And you can follow the Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at Singularity_FI, gold verified check mark, 407 tweets, 87,100 Twitter followers. And this project, this token here, the SFI token, got listed today, February 6th, 12 o'clock UTC time. So it's already passed and it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SFI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they do have a full white paper you can find at docs.singularityfinance.ai. So they are tokenizing the artificial intelligence economy. So it says the advent of new financial models known as DeFi, decentralized finance, marked a paradigm shift that introduced permissionless on-chain financial services freely to all who have had access to the internet. However, this innovation came with inherent risks. For example, a significant number of DeFi tokens lacked tangible backing, which resulted in extreme price volatility, speculative bubbles, and challenges in fundamental valuations. Q tokenization of real-world assets, a process with which traditional off-chain assets are brought on-chain, with the most prevalent example being fiat-backed stablecoins. This became a dominant trend with various assets classes following, such as commodities, real estate, and other financial assets. Yet one of the most promising applications of tokenization is now emerging in the AI sector, giving rise to AI finance, a new financial framework centered around AI-focused assets and AI-driven services. This new business model brings both tangible and intangible RWAs on chain, spanning from GPUs and data centers to APIs and cloud services. So AI-Fi taps into the vast potential of AI economy by tokenizing a diverse range of AI-related assets, creating opportunities for global markets to exchange and monetize these assets. Thanks to tokenization, ownership, and liquidity of data assets, compute power, and others, AI-related assets are enhanced, opening up new on-chain markets in the rapidly expanding AI sector. And it also serves as a bridge between the gap of artificial intelligence and decentralized finance, allowing for unprecedented monetization opportunities. Tokenization sees the perfect marriage of new and traditional assets within the blockchain, offering a myriad of potential benefits while adapting to the emerging technology that has set to change the business landscape once more. So then there is, tokenization that has come out as well, and the merger, and then we have the, obviously there's a market opportunity there. So they have here the tokenomics for this token as a part of the merger. The three existing tokens SDAO, CGV, and KEY would be converted into SFI tokens, thereby creating a single decentralized governance token. So this has become basically the governance token of this project, used across the platform, and the token merge will bring the utility of the two protocols with a single token. And the initial phase of the SFI token will be available on Ethereum, and it also says BNB chain, it'll be on there as well. So they talk about conversion. So there's, tokens migrate, convert, they change names, they do all sorts of stuff like that. So there's all sorts of information about this on here, and it says there 51.76% of the tokens are the newly minted supply, and then we have 48.24% is the initial total supply of SFI's total supply there. So they have a roadmap here. So they started the completion of the merger between Singularity DAO and Cogito Finance. So I remember both of those projects, actually. So they're saying they merged both of those together. Then we had the token launch, then the migration, and then we have the Singularity Finance incentivized testnet goes live, featuring tokenized assets and partner applications. Then preview of the Dyna Vaults with yield-bearing stables and Artificial Superintelligence Alliance ASI Index Vaults. So this year, Q1 2025, we have the L2 apps coming out, incentivized campaigns to bring builders to the L2. We have the Dyna Vaults with ETH Yield Vaults, Singularity Finance's Layer 2 mainnet. Then we have the launch of the Dyna Vaults with yield-bearing stables and Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. The AI recommendation portfolios live, partnerships with liquidity provision of tokenized real-world assets. Then Q2 this year, we're going to have on-chain identity for retail clients, fiat on-ramp for retail clients, on-chain KYC AML solutions for compliant users onboarding, launch of the AI-driven portfolio management tools for retail and institutional users, and then the L2 apps like prediction markets. Q3 this year, expansion of the tokenized asset offerings, including corporate bonds and GPUs, integrations with cross-chain protocols to enhance liquidity and asset trading across multiple blockchains, fiat on and off-ramp support for institutional clients, expansion of tokenized AI products, including AI models, datasets, and compute power, L2 apps, credit ratings coupled with on-chain identity, launch of the AI-managed funds for institutions offering AI-powered investment strategies for tokenized real-world assets, and development of AI-powered credit scoring models for DeFi. 2026 and beyond, the extend RWA and identity solutions to additional regulated territories, AI market making for newer protocols on the L2 apps and AI market making, and then more to continue after that. Now, I barely touched the surface of what's involved with this project here, but if you want to learn more, about all the info on it. There's tons and tons of info at docs.singularityfinance.ai. And you can find this token listed as of today on Mexc Global. So make sure you go check out, make sure you check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.